We now have 3 views dealing with the blog posts, and the first one is blog, the second one is create blog post, and the third one is single blog post. Let's do some cleaning so that it is easy to understand and change this code in the future. So I'll go to views folder and I'll create a new folder and I'll call it blog posts. Then I'll copy every view that has anything to do with the blog posts inside this folder. So I'll come, the first one is blog, and the second one is create, and the third one is single. So I'll move all this here. So now anytime I want to update anything to do with the blog posts, so it's easy to know, because I'll just see this folder blog post, and then I'll click here and I'll update anything to do with the blog posts. We also have to update our controller, so I'll come here and here I'll just say blog posts dot blog. So what happens is Laravel will come and check in this folder, then it will take the first name to be a folder, so it will check in blog posts, then dot, it will check the second name as a view, so dot blog. So let's update the rest as well. So I'll copy this, paste here and paste here, then save. Now we don't have a dot here, let's include a dot and a dot here, so save. Let's see if this is still working. I'll do a refresh, click blog, it's working, single blog, it's working. The next cleanup I'd like to do is when you go to your layout, and this was actually suggested by one of my viewers in the lesson where we implemented the CK editor. So in that lesson we included our CDN in the layout, and this script tag we included it in the footer. So he suggested that we should he thought that we should put this in the create blog post, and I agree with him. And the reason is, when you come here now and try to view source, look, we are loading the CDN here and we are also loading the script tag, and yet we don't require the CDN in this page. There is nothing that is happening here that requires that CDN. So let's make sure that we only load that in this create blog post. So what we'll do, we'll come here, I'll cut this, then I'll just say at yield head, then go to my create blog post, then up here I'll say at section head, then I'll include that CDN. Then I'll do the same for the script tag that we have at the footer. So I'll come here, I'll cut this, then at yield I'll say scripts, save, then come back to the create blog, then down here I'll say at section, we called it scripts, then paste that, then save. Then if I come here and try to refresh this, so now we no longer have the script at the footer and we no longer have the CDN. But when I go to the dashboard, I check create posts, we still have our CK editor, and if I check the view source, we have the CDN, and down here we have the script. So that's it for this lesson. In the next lesson, let's see how we can request and validate users' inputs. Until then, as always, if this video has been of any help to you, kindly consider supporting my work by subscribing, leaving a comment and a like. Cheers.